All right, so I just got a notification that I have a new survey. These are the surveys that come in randomly, and whenever you answer them, you get paid 25 cents instantly to your PayPal account. So let me show you. Which one of the following dessert products or treats have you purchased in the past 3 months at a retail location? Let's see. I would say ice cream. Submit. Thanks for your response. We've submitted a payment request via PayPal. And remind me later. See, the balance just went up about 25 cents. So far I earned almost $30 in 25-cent increments. And sometimes they ask you multiple questions. So you'll make almost $1 or $1.25 for those series of questions, but they're all multiple choice, very quick to answer. Look in the description of the video for the link, or go to my website, makemoneywithbryan.com, for this and other opportunities. And before I go, I forgot to show you the 25 cents paid instantly. There it goes there from that company right there on October 4th. 25 cents just came in. All right, talk to y'all later.